Welcome to the world of gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, one thing is certain. Comfort is key to making the most of your time outdoors. Today we're talking about a game changer for gardeners everywhere. Gardening stools. Gardening is a labor of love, but it can take a toll on your knees, back, and overall energy. That's where gardening stools come in, combining comfort, convenience, and practicality to transform your gardening experience. Imagine sitting comfortably while you plant, weed, or prune. Gardening stools are designed to reduce strain, improve posture, and make gardening tasks more enjoyable. Many models also offer built-in storage, so your tools are always within reach. With a gardening stool, you'll save time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, nurturing your plants and enjoying your garden. When choosing a gardening stool, consider these features. Ergonomic design, padded seats and proper height to prevent discomfort. Durability stools made from sturdy materials like steel or heavy-duty plastic. Mobility, wheels for easy movement across your garden, storage compartments or pockets for tools, gloves, and more. Portability, lightweight, and foldable options for convenience. Let's explore some top-rated gardening stools. For heavy-duty use, consider stools with reinforced frames and extra-large seats. For mobility, rolling stools with adjustable heights and tool trays are ideal. For compact gardens, foldable stools that save space are a great choice. And for storage lovers, stools with built-in toolkits and large compartments are perfect. No matter your gardening style or the size of your garden, there's a stool that's perfect for you. I used to dread weeding because of the back pain, but this stool changed everything. Now I can garden for hours. The built-in storage is a lifesaver. No more trips back and forth to grab tools. Join countless gardeners worldwide who've discovered the joy of gardening stools. Ready to upgrade your gardening game? Find the best gardening stools online or at your local garden center. Look for top-rated options in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Norway, Canada, Austria, and other countries known for their vibrant gardening communities. Gardening should be a pleasure, not a chore. With a gardening stool, you can create, cultivate, and cherish your garden in comfort. Happy gardening, gardening stools, comfort and convenience for every gardener.